see. Some of the items, yeah, are. I just send you an invite. I can try again. Yeah. It should be the exact same link. I'm on what? I do not be because my mic is muted. I think you might be listening to me on. Yeah. What is going on? Yeah, I'm not. Have my test. It's not game chat because I can tell you right now I muted the other one. The actual game chat. You know what? How about now? Is it gone? Yeah, I did. When I pressed the button, I must have missed and just done it on the edge of the turn mic off on the joint thing. So sorry about that. Probably. You don't save your stuff in like Chrome or something. You just trust your old man memory. Huh. Well, then you can save your passwords then. Unless I think you use your Twitch account to get into Streamlabs. When you go to log in, there should be an option to, instead of using a username and password, there should be an option to hit like Twitch. Do you ever? Yeah, so there should be an option to do it with Twitch. Well, you already have Streamlabs desktop, but the other thing you can do is, I mean, you will have to get off of your stream, but you can go to your connection in Streamlabs desktop and disconnect from everything and then reconnect and tell it to reconnect with. I don't think you ever made a Streamlabs account though. No, I think you decided not to, and you just individually did each one of them, as opposed to having all of them go under the umbrella of your. But now, if you want to set it up, you'll have to still disconnect. I mean, if you wanted to reconnect to your account. Yeah, so maybe that'll work. Maybe. Still doesn't work. I mean, the link doesn't change. I can recreate the link. Yeah. And do a new one. I can do that. Second here. You had something else going on where it didn't recognize your camera and stuff, right? Didn't you? You will have to create a new resource. Yeah. I just regenerated the link. You can try again. Yeah. Oh, does it force you to go through the web to do it? That's weird. Yeah. Like your browser to use your camera. I think the problem is your camera is already being used by Streamlabs. But which doesn't make sense because you need that. But I don't know if he wants you to use some kind of web interface. Give me just 1 second. Let me check. Let me check. Got the same error. Yeah. So go back to that same, yeah. And it's about midway down. Can you take a screenshot of what the error is that you're getting? What does it say? Like, what's the error? Yeah, which is it is using another application, but doesn't make sense. So maybe you have to do it from the beginning before you go live, and then it'll trigger it. it. I don't. It might. I mean, you can try, but I feel like you will have to do it before you even start your stream, maybe. What do you mean? No, it's whatever Windows has as the default. Also, it might be trying to use your. It might be trying to use the other one. Like, does it tell you which one it's trying to use? Hmm. Yeah, and see if that works. Yeah, but you need to close Streamlabs desktop too, because when Streamlabs desktop is on, it's using your camera even when you're not streaming. Like, yeah. Mhm. Should be in the list. No, integrate as your laptop. No, it's not that. I don't know. You bought it. Yeah. Or whatever you have as your default speakers. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you have to share whatever you so it shows on mine. Mute me. Yeah. It's because you have me both on Discord and that. You need to mute me. But you need to screen share. But you need to screen share, otherwise I'm not able to see you on my. Yeah. So you want that. So what? It's basically what are you trying to share, and I will like what are your options, because you have to share something for me to see. It might be what you're trying to share might be maybe so yeah, you don't want to share your Discord. I have no idea. Like, I can't see your screen, unfortunately. Where are you showing it to me? I can't see your screen or anything. No. Oh, hold on. I can see collab. Okay. I see your picture. Uh Okay, now I can see you, and it is showing you in my stream. Your camera is. Oh, do you want to refresh me? Because now you're in my. Yeah, you did, because now you went away. But it's just sharing your picture. Let me. I have to do it again. Hold on. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn off your volume. Yeah, and do you see yourself on my stream on? Yeah. But it's just your camera, so I think to share your game. I guess so. I don't know that this actually shares games. This might be just to do like conference kind of thing. Because okay, go ahead and try to start your stream, because I think your camera won't allow you to do it. Yeah. Yeah. But the problem is, I don't know how you would share your game. I think what you might have to do is on Streamlabs. Okay, that is the way we should do it. On Streamlabs, you create a virtual camera that looks at your whole game with your picture on it, and that's the camera that you tell Streamlabs on the website to show me. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we don't we don't want to do that, because you won't do a camera. Go ahead and stop the I think what you need to do is you need to turn on the virtual camera in Streamlabs. So get out of the Oh, I'm actually gonna stop my stream and we can go through this.